All right, today we're back again for the proverb of the week. The proverb of the week is proverb means in Kiluba means kinji. Today is the third proverb after a series of proverbs we already learned. Among them, I still remember kiamudiso, shikiadi, kiamumulu. We learned that one. I'm trying to see how we can continue learning, or we can just go forward from one proverb to another. Today I'm bringing a very important, interesting proverb. It's Kiampofu. It's very popular in the North Katanga. Kiampofu I kuminwe. Pofu means blind. Okay? Kiampofu I kuminwe. Let's say that. Kiampofu. Hello? I kuminwe. Kiampofu ikuminwe. We know that Mpofu is a blind person, okay? Blind man, a blind woman is called Pofu. He doesn't see. Somebody who's blind doesn't see. So the only way the person act or know that has something, it's through the fingers. You have to touch. They need connections. So kiampofu, the possession of a blind man, it's what the blind man has in his hands. You understand? Mm-hmm. If the blind man doesn't have in his hands, it doesn't feel to belong to him. Okay? Mm-hmm. So it means that this tells, when you say somebody kiampofu ikuminwe, minwe means finger. We start minwe, which is munwe umo, ibidi, and so on. So minwe means fingers. Kiampofu ikuminwe. What belongs to a blind man, it's what he has in his hands. And if I'm telling you that you talking to me and you say, oh, tomorrow I'll do this, I'll give you $5 or something, I say, hello, kiampofu ikuminwe. I can say that, which I'm telling you that what I want it now. Don't promise me. Don't tell me you're gonna give it tomorrow. Don't trust tomorrow. I want it now. Then you can just tell a person that kiampofu ikuminwe. You don't have to explain something else, and the person will understand that you want it now. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. That's a very interesting kinji or interesting proverb. So, looking forward, bringing more proverbs to you, and Kiluba is very rich in proverb. That's why I keep injecting proverb as we're learning how to talk, how to speak Kiluba. By the other side, we're also learning immediately some few proverbs. You don't have to be a specialist in Kiluba to know the proverbs. But if you know the proverb, you can communicate even better than those people who have been speaking Kiluba for years. So, Shalapo, we'll talk again more and more, okay? Lalapo.